little after work rip on a Tuesday afternoon, taking advantage of this awesome November weather. I can't believe it's 60 degrees in November. So yeah, right now we're riding the South Holton Loop. Perfect conditions. So also, what I was gonna say is, whoa, this is the southernmost single track in Michigan. So if you're anywhere south of Muskegon, this will be your first single track. Alright, we got our first little mechanical issue, which is not bad, not too bad, but broke a spoke on the old Beta.
I'll have to keep an eye on it. If more start to come out, I'll have to turn around.
Yeah, now that's going to add to your projects in a few weeks.
Yeah. I just checked those too.
Yeah, because for some reason I thought it was coming from the header pipe, like rattling.
It was clicking that.
Yeah. I guess I did hear it on my side, just I didn't hear it in the back. Trail hack.
Yep.
And also, OG here just gave me a great idea. He keeps zip ties right along his brake line, right there. I mean, absolute perfect spot. I mean, this is where it comes into play, where you ride with experienced guys. You learn a lot of stuff. I never would have thought that. So instead of carrying some zip ties in my pack, I'm gonna put some down there. Alright guys, still on the south loop of the Holton. I call it the south loop. I don't know, some people call it lower Holton. don't remember this ever being so whooped out. Usually the lower Holton is a little smoother than the upper, just because I think you have to be technically plated to ride it. But wow, what good weather. What a perfect, I'll go through here, I'll make my own trail. Anyways, as I was saying, we're on the south loop of Holton, and we're making our way back to the trucks right now. It's a perfect November night, perfect temperature. I don't know, when we left the truck it was almost 60, but so yeah, this past Saturday we just had the time change, so we knew we were going to get stuck out in the dark, so you know, we came prepared with our lights. I think it really gets dark about, I don't know, 5:30 now, and we didn't even leave the parking lot. Whoa, hello. We didn't even leave the parking lot till almost 5, so. So like I was saying, we're on our way back to the truck. We don't have too far to go. I think we're going to try to get one more ride in. We're going to try to get one more ride. Oh shoot, we're going to try to get one more ride in this week, just because the weather is going to be so good. So where we're going to end up, not sure yet. We'll have to figure that out. Well, that was interesting. Well, that was interesting. I didn't see that little...
I did the same thing. A bike almost got off underneath me.
Whew. I gotta say, that little jaunt through the woods tired me out a little bit. Oh, we just came across a tree that was down, so we tried to go around it, and in between the trees were a bunch of trees that I got hung up on. It's like a hole there. Daddy needs some new tires. Whoa! I've went this whole year with these tires. They're Geomax MX33s, and I did not a lot of road riding, but I did some road riding out of necessity. So they need to be changed.